Hey, hi. You all know WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. But what if I told you there's a messenger app? Okay. There's a messenger app called BiP Messenger Video Call. And this app translates your messages into 106 languages in real time, lets you play in video games, has secret self-deleting messages, and is completely free. Okay. So this is the app which we're going to look at, and we're going to look at some cool features which you may have not known that they exist. All right. And most of you have never heard about it. So today we're going to review BiP Messenger, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly whether it's worth switching. All right. So BiP, some of you who don't know it, BiP is it's an app developed by a Turkish firm. I think it's called Turkcell, one of Turkey's biggest telecoms companies. It's available on Android, on iOS, and on desktop, and even as a web app. It's free. It's been downloaded over 100 million downloads across 172 countries, and it positions itself as a privacy-first, future-rich alternative to WhatsApp. So think of it as WhatsApp, but with a translation superpower and some genuinely surprising extras, as we are going to see. Okay, so we're going to go feature by feature. Okay, we're going to go feature by feature so that you can really know what this app is capable of. Okay, first of all, it has an instant chatting feature. You can text. Okay, here we have chats. Okay, you can text, you can send voice notes, you can send photos, just as you see on WhatsApp. You can send videos, file sharing, read receipts, and typing indicators. All the basics done well. Okay, you can do chats from here. You can start chatting here. Now, in this phone, I don't have any contact, so before you have to kind of add a new contact, but in most cases, there will be your contacts here, and they have to be on this app. Okay, so we're going to see how all that work. The second feature is HD video and voice calls, group calls with up to 10 people simultaneously, HD quality over internet, completely free. So you can even do video calls, group calls. On the top here, it is kind of like groups. You can create a group. Okay. You can create a group. Just as in my phone, I don't have contacts. So, but you can create a group just as you see on WhatsApp. Then you can put the contacts. This app has a translation feature which you won't see in WhatsApp. Up to 106 language translation. It's real-time in-chat translation. So when you're typing, it can, maybe your friend is typing in French, it can change French to English in real time. Okay, write in your language and they'll read in theirs. So if I don't know your language, if I don't know Germany and I type English, the person who knows Germany will see Germany, but me who is typing, I'll be typing my English. Then a person who is typing Germany will type Germany, but me, I'll be able to see English. In other words, it provides real-time translation, something which you won't see in WhatsApp, right? So, and they have won most innovative mobile app at the Global Mobile Awards. They have an award which they won. And four, I can say they have a secret slash self-deleting messages. You can set a timer on the messages. They can disappear after chosen period. Great for privacy, okay? Groups can be up to 100 if you're to do groups, okay? You can't really do, sorry, they can be up to 1,000 groups. So I think, really, why would you create more than 1,000 groups? So you can create groups up to 1,000 members, and also supports channels for broadcasting to the followers, okay? Sorry, you can create groups with up to 1,000 members, not 1,000 groups, but 1,000 members. So Yeah, then it have end-to-end encryption, just as you see WhatsApp. All messages are encrypted. They have live location sharing. You can share your your like real-time location directly inside the chat, useful for meetups or checking in with the family. And under more, they have games. Okay, now this is something which some people have never realized, but they have a full library of mini games built right into the app, from puzzle games to classics, unique feature you won't find on WhatsApp or Telegram. So here's games. Okay. Yeah. So I think this is something which makes it a bit unique from others. And I think I have a slow internet as it loads. Um, they also have a chat input. Okay, you can migrate your entire chat history, including groups and media, from WhatsApp or other apps. No manual re-adding of contacts. It's kind of really cool. So it can really synchronize with your WhatsApp and I think they also have a BIP status and channels. I don't know why this thing is really taking long, but um, right. I think I didn't want to cross it, but I think let me wait for it a bit. Okay. So they have it's a cross-platform, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, all synced together. Use it on any device. Okay, and one of the thing is, I think let me just cross this up and I just open it again. Okay. Now, another thing which you have to know is the free mobile data, that is tank sale. Tank sale subscribers in Turkey can use this app, BIP, without consuming data. Less relevant outside Turkey, but worth noting. Okay, though that one applies for people who are within Turkey. Okay, so we have looked at the we have looked at the goods. So let's see the bad, so that you can know the pros and versus the cons and see if it's worthy. Okay, first of all, it's a smaller user base than WhatsApp. Even if they have more than 100 million downloads, still WhatsApp has actually a lot of downloads than this app. So it means if your friend doesn't have this app, he has to first install it. Okay. Notification issues have been reported on some devices. Poor quality if you're having bad data, but I think that is common on all apps. Registration issues. I've been having registration issues. If you lose your phone, I find a problem kind of resetting, something like that. Less useful if your contacts don't use BIP. So if your friend or family doesn't use this app, it means you may not really have them be able to communicate with them. Okay. So this is a Turkey-based company. So some privacy conscious users may actually be comfortable using a Turkish firm, but so far as I know, privacy is guaranteed. Okay. So what stands out from WhatsApp? Okay. BIP, I can say BIP versus WhatsApp. The translation in 106 languages, built-in games. Okay. I think those are one of the things that stand out from WhatsApp. And no metadata correction. They have a self-deleting messages. I think, okay, that one also in WhatsApp is there. Chat import from other apps. I think that is something which makes this app a bit unique. There are calls here on the tab. You can just call, click on the contact and call. Their status. You can put your status as you see on WhatsApp. Channels for broadcasting to your members. They have more. If you want to delete your account, I think you can go to settings. Okay. And my account and delete. So this is how you can delete your account. Okay. So who is this app for? Like, who should use this app? Who should actually download BIP? If you communicate with people across different languages, family abroad, international clients, a multilingual community, the translation feature alone makes it worthy. If you care deeply about privacy and the idea of WhatsApp mining your data, BIP is worth a serious consideration. Okay, and if you want a WhatsApp alternative, then that doesn't feel like a downgrade. This is probably the most polished one I've ever tested. Okay, so the only real cache is adoption. Adoption, an app is only used for as other people use it. So even if it's cool, but if your friends are not using it, then but the barrier is getting lower because the last time I saw this app, it had 60 million, but now it has 100. Maybe in the next few months it will be 200 million. Then within a short time it will be a billion users, so something like that. So conclusion, I can say my final verdict is this is an app which is generally impressive. It's worth it trying. It's not really trying to be a flashy new social media. It's just trying to be the best messenger app for real communication, and it largely succeeds. The transaction feature is world class. Okay, the privacy credentials are solid. The games are fun bonus, and the main thing holding it back is simple. Your contacts need to be on it. That is what I can say. Okay, so in case your friends are not on it, you can just actually let them and they join. Okay, so see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos that review random apps like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.